In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a couple of popular review tools, the Thesaurus and the spelling tool. So let's start with the Thesaurus. I've opened up the Epcot presentation. Now, the Thesaurus is a tool that lists words or phrases that mean the same thing or almost the same thing as the selected word. So to start, I would click on a slide that holds a word that I want to use the thesaurus on. So I'm on slide 3, and I'm going to look up another word for the word festivals. So I select the word. From the Review tab, I click on the thesaurus. That opens up the task pane on the right. And in the search window, it shows the word that I highlighted. And in the results window, it gives me a bunch of words that mean the same thing as the word that I selected. Now, if I want to replace my selected word with one of these, I would hover over it and click the drop arrow to the right of that word. And from there, I would choose Insert. And now that word was replaced with my new word. Now, a common error when using the thesaurus is this. I'm going to highlight this word, festival, and click the thesaurus button. And now let's say I want to replace it with event. People just go to click on it, and notice it didn't replace my word. What happened was the word that I looked up has now been replaced with what I clicked on. And here I have all replacements for the word event. Okay, so that's a common error. Instead of clicking the drop arrow and choosing insert, people click directly on the word. So hopefully you'll avoid that. Okay, the next tool I want to show you is also on the review tab in the proofing group, and it's the spelling tool. Now, I like to click on my first slide and begin from there. From there, I just click on the spelling tool. That opens up the spelling pane. And what's happening is PowerPoint is searching through my presentation for any words they think I've misspelled. Once they come across one, it's highlighted in my slide, and they give me a list of suggestions in the spelling task pane. And then I have these tools. I can ignore it once, ignore it all, or add it to my dictionary. Or I can select one of these options and change that occurrence or every occurrence. I'm going to ignore them all in this case because I know that's an actual word. And then it continues. Again, I'm going to ignore all and ignore all. And when I'm done, I get this message telling me that my spell check is complete.